Hey everyone, welcome to Beach Investing. I'm your host, Andrei Angelkovski. We're here in Etobicoke. We're in the prime beaches in Toronto, and we're about to look at the most ideal beach property. Hey everyone, welcome to Beach Investing. I'm your host, Andrei Angelkovski. We're in East York on this nice cold winter day, and the house behind me was purchased by the gentleman by the name of Ben, and we're gonna go inside to see him again. But the purpose of this video is to show you what happens when a plan B has to be utilized. So his plan A was to rebuild this house. Now, unfortunately, financing, the banks did not approve a certain reappraisal amount that he was looking for. And therefore now he's resorted to a plan B, which is to rent it out. Now I want to show you what Ben did to this place in terms of renovations to get it rent ready and to actually be a satisfactory plan B option. So let's go and see it. How's it going, Ben? Good, good, good. Nice to see you again.
See you. Hi, you too. How you doing?
So, if you guys don't recognize it, maybe you do, but Ben, I told the viewers so far that your plan A was to rebuild the house. Yeah. And it was going to be your dream house, but things didn't work out the way you were hoping for. The banks didn't give you the appraisal that you needed in order to get the construction loan to be able to build it. They would have given you a construction loan, but it wouldn't have been the amount that you needed.
It wouldn't have met the amount that I needed to fully build this place the way I wanted to, so yeah.
So because of this, you couldn't get other private financing. It was getting a bit too expensive, so you're okay. So what is your plan B?
My plan B was to just gut this place as much as as much as it made sense to, and then just put everything new and then rent it out for as much as possible.
Okay. So you viewers remember what it looked like? It was obviously
Oh yeah, wait, if you haven't seen the before video, go back, check it out, and remember that this house is 100 years old. Okay? Everything was trash, we gutted it out, put everything new, and we have this now, so go around and check it out.
Let's go. Come on, let's go check it out. Kitchen, it's all new.
And I want to say I did 85% of the work myself, so I'm proud of that.
Nice. And would you mind sharing with us approximately what it cost you to do this?
My original budget was $10,000. We ran into a lot of issues. Again, it's a 100-year-old house, so everything was 100 years old. The furnace was shot, the back portion of the roof was shot, and then we ran into a little bit of electrical issues. I had to redo a lot of the electrical in the front portion of the house, and my final budget came up to about $17,000.
Okay, so for $17,000, we'll give you the link to see the before, and that used to be the present condition. So take a look at the bathroom as well. The bathroom was completely redone.
Yeah, bathroom 100% redone.
And you have it up for rent. You have it up for rent for roughly $2,400, right?
$2,400, yeah.
And you've just posted it up for rent a couple days ago?
I posted it 2 days ago or 3 days ago, and I've had about 6 showings so far, and I have another 3 coming up tonight. So the response has been pretty good.
Very good, actually. So yeah, come on, it's dining room, living room. And one thing that you changed completely was the front of the house. It was 1 bedroom before, and you split it up into 2 bedrooms.
Yeah, it was 1 bedroom. I had to pretty much Frankenstein this place and make it into 2 bedrooms.
So you'll get more rent for 2 bedrooms.
Yeah, for sure.
And I guess one of the lessons learned is to have a good plan B.
Yeah,
And
for sure.
And your plan B is to rent out this place, and you're gonna get good rents, and maybe wait for the market to improve to get the appraisal that you need to actually build it. So it's not like it's a dead deal. It's not like it's over. You know, you've lost. No, you haven't lost. Now it's just a little bit of a waiting.
Just have a good relationship with trades. That's one thing that I want to say I walked away with, was making friends and meeting cool people that helped me along the way, as well as Andrei and everybody who's had my back. So thank you.
And I also want to actually applaud you for being open and willing to share this story.
You know, might be in the same position as me in the future or going through it now. So if you want to speak, you can put my email address or whatever.
And you do contracting too. So
yeah, I do it on the side, yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you. Again, I appreciate it. And we'll definitely see the progress, and eventually you will build this.
Oh yeah, for sure.
All right.
So, one more thing.
Absolutely.
If you are a fan of Andrei, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and you can be up to date with beach investing and all kinds of real estate information. So do that.
Thanks, buddy. Thanks, guys.